For this video, I'll show you exactly how we turn an empty gallery wall from this to this. And the best part is you can do it in the comfort of your own home. A gallery wall isn't just about filling a blank wall with frames. It's about telling your story through a stylish display of memories. First things first, build your collection. Start with one hero piece. This is your showstopper, as it will be the anchor of your gallery wall and guide the rest of your choices. Next step, and the most important one, decide on your gallery wall layout. Lay your frames on the floor first, play with spacing and sizes until you find a flow you love. The good news is we've done the hard work for you with our Mulbury gallery wall gift boxes and prepared 3 layouts for each. First, we have Val's Pick, which is great for neutral tone lovers. It's in grey, natural and whitewash, and will work well with almost any photo or art because of its tones flexibility. And we also have Jerry's Favourites, which is more of a rustic character as a whole. It comes with chunky, grey, natural and oiled finishes, great for displaying on your living room or a staircase wall because the strong character of the frame draws a lot of attention. Lastly, we have the Mulbury Essentials that comes in oiled, natural, whitewash, grey, black, chocolate, and if you're feeling a little more playful, we also have it in mixed where you get to have 2 oiled, 1 grey and 1 natural frame. After figuring out what layout you want, it's time for step number 3. Use Smart Template. Trace your frame sizes onto paper and cut them out. Now I've got my smart templates all ready to go. I'm going to stick them on the wall in the layout that I like before I hammer anything into the wall. In this example, I've used the Mulbury Essentials gift box. And finally, it's time to hang the frames. Now to hang our Mulbury frames, you will receive a little clip that you just put on the back of it. Now our original grey. And it's just as easy as that. So that's how you hang up your gift box. Designing a gallery wall is part planning, part play. But the goal isn't to be perfect, but to enjoy the process of creating your own gallery wall. With a little imagination and the right tools, you can create a feature wall that's stylish, personal, and uniquely yours. See you in the next video, and we hope you learned from us. You may also want to consider subscribing for more content like this.